to the control room of Umudu.
From now onwards, we shall be the ones to decide on what comes in and what goes out of this land.
And all men shall be my slave, through all means of immoral lifestyle, especially sexual immorality. But Sister Dimma, what are we going to be using to quench our thirst? Human blood, of course.
No, Ihuoma. It shall be animal blood until they decide to rebel against the given covenant.
Then I'll make them go against their covenant.
Not so, Ihuoma. Or else you will make them go look for solutions elsewhere on how to drive us out of their land, which is their right.
But they are in ignorance of such rights.
Okay, let's go inside and continue our discussion before any drunkard intrude into our midst.
It is true, because they are all drunkards.
Have already been chosen for just cheer up.
Andrew, just listen to yourself. I should cheer up because of the gods choose me as one of the maiden that will be dancing under that UDARA tree. Do you remember that they sacrificed our friend Adugo under that same UDARA tree? Just listen to yourself.
Okay, come on, sister. If you are a true girl that was sacrificed under that tree, what will you do? Yes. What will you do? Just cheer up. Cheer up. Let's just go for practice, okay? Just cheer up. Let's go for practice. Come on,
So how come they haven't still actualized who will be the new dancers?
Well, I heard at the last dance practice, Udu and Ikema, the friends to Adugo, they found the dance steps.
How many times have I warned you not to do or say anything that will bring back Adugo's memory?
But my princess, I told you vow that you keep her evergreen in your heart. Why the sudden change?
Yes, I said that. But I really need to move on. I need to go on. So I've already decided that I would not bring up her memory until I get married. And maybe my daughter's name will keep her memories forever.
I'm sorry, my princess. I promise not to bring her up in a conversation again.
Well, it's okay. So, how is the dance practice going? Because I would really love to watch.
Well, my princess, they'll start next market days.
And
Okay.
I also heard that the first day should be in the night and it's a sacred night. Only the guards and the chief priests are allowed to be at the territory.
God,
Yes, my princess.
why is it that the people of this village love doing things in a barbaric way? They are always fetish.
Well, it's the ways of the gods and we can't question them.
I seriously wish someone would just come and challenge the gods.
My princess, please, mind the way you talk about the gods.
Well, that's the reason they are riding us. Because everybody's just too scared to challenge the gods.
never think of starting what you cannot finish. And do not dare quenching a fire that is beyond you. Else, it shall burn you.
Have you finished? Now listen. He that is above all. Maybe you have forgotten. That's the way you live in the tree. So I've gotten he that is in me. For greater is he that is in me than he that is in the two of you.
Young man, it is obvious you're trying to start a war, but you will surely die in it.
Lie! You lied! For the Bible says, I shall not die, but live to declare the words of the Lord. And I bear the mark in my body of Christ. You too cannot trouble me. Yes! Jesus! What is it?
It's just a trance.
A trance? This is a confirmation of what the Lord has been saying you want to do in your father's land. And those maidens you saw there are still dancing even as I'm talking right now. And the female spirit that came out of that UDARA tree are more than the number you saw. There are 3 in number, namely Olamma, Ihuoma, and Dimma, who happens to be their leader. She has body more than the other one and a little bit short.
This is serious.
Yes. And you really need urgent attention before they gain ground in your father's land. And not only that, the Lord is saying that UDARA tree in that community must be removed.
This is serious.
And well, they can only know the ones themselves are doing. But what the demons are doing to them, and the ones the demon will do to them in the nearest future, they are not aware of it.
Are you sure if the villagers are aware of that?
Well, I will talk with your father. I will talk with the reverend, and we'll plan on how to embark on that mission because it's very, very important. I'll get now. Let me go and prepare for the prayer meeting. I wanted to see Reverend something, but since he's not around. Alright, see you then. I hope you'll join us later now.
Yes, thank you.
Alright.
What do you want again?
Uroma, see, what I'm asking for is just for second chance. Just give me this second chance. I said, I'm going to make it up to you.
Okay. Have you ever heard of a second chance in this village?
See, Uroma, since you left my life, I have never been the same. If you give me this chance, I swear I'm going to make it up to you.
Please, Ekene, leave me alone, please. Stop pretending. Did you hear me? Stop pretending. Wait. You claim you love me. You claim you love me, but I was begging you all this while. Ekene, do you love him?
Yeah, I do.
You sure you love me? Yes, Ekene, you know, the next 4 market days now, the chief priest will come and announce the media and the cause I've chosen for the sacrifice. And Ekene, I don't want to be sacrificed. You know, I'm still a virgin, Ekene. So please, just take my pride, Ekene. Please.
Just listen to yourself. Can you hear yourself? You know it is an abomination in this our community for any man to sleep with any maiden, especially this festive period. And no.
Ekene, please, I'm begging. Ekene, please, I'm begging you, Ekene. Do you want me to die, Ekene? Ekene, please, now. Ekene.
Get up. See, Uroma, if the gods have chosen you for this sacrifice, there's nothing we mortals can do about it. You just have to accept your fate. Please, Uroma, I cannot be party to this.
Ekene, I love you, Ekene. Just take away my virginity. You're saying that you cannot go against the court. Now, please, leave me alone, okay? Just leave me alone.
Listen. Please, Uroma. See, I wasn't man enough then, no. I wasn't man enough. But this time, you see this time, I can even give my life for you. Hey, Uroma. Please.
Brother, you see, I've not been in my village before. And this journey we are about to embark, each time I dream, I keep seeing strange things. And I'm afraid this journey might consume life.
Well, you're not far from the truth, okay? The journey will consume life. I'm aware of it. But the life that we go in is the life of our enemies. Are you hearing me? See, Udoka, all I need you to do is just put yourself together and be strong. And let's not forget, the Lord has also told me that He's about to settle you after this battle. Are you getting me? But the area God wants to settle you is the area that I don't get clearly.
Anyway, since you are clarified that this mission will not consume our lives, no problem. I will go. Is it this Sunday, after Sunday service, or?
The Reverend said that we're going to be leaving tomorrow after service. And Pastor Omega will be taking care of the church activities while we come back. Let's go.
Roma, I can see how love is now intoxicating you like a very strong palm wine. You no longer sleep in the palace. Even Mother the Queen has noticed your absence.
My princess, please, my princess, it's all my fault, It's all my fault. Please forgive us.
Really?
Forgive us.
Well, can you say this in front of my parents? Can you take the blame?
My princess, see, I can't deny my fault, I can accept it, It's all my fault.
Can I don't bother? I will stand alone.
No, Roma. No.
Okay, it's fine. The two latest lovebirds of Umu. Well, Roma, I've already defended you in front of Mother, so you're free.
Thank you, my friend.
What? Please stop embarrassing. Stand up. I don't like this. Okay, fine, I've had it. Well, I'm heading to Inishi Square, so I'll go and see how they're preparing for the UDARA festival. Would you like to join me?
My princess, all at a service, my princess.
And Ekene, what of you? Won't you come with us?
My princess, it will be a great pleasure. It will be a great pleasure, my princess.
Okay then, let's go.
Father, is this our village?
Yes, my son. I guess it's too rural.
Of course. Father, I wonder how the people here are coping, seeing there is no sign of electricity and other social amenities.
Well, I believe that is one of the reasons why God sent us here. You know, Ebima was once like this. But through our divine service, they got their breakthrough.
My Reverend, our God is really an awesome God. I just discover in the realm of the spirit now that the road we pass through is not the main entrance that leads to that mystery UDARA.
Yes.
Which is a quencher of glory and light and destinies. God just allow us pass through this road so that our mission will be successful. But not just only that. It is a taboo in their custom for one to pass through this road. This is what just the Spirit of God revealed to me now.
If that's the case, you have to hurry up. You have to hurry up to my house so that I can do fast and see the king before they act on us.
That's true. You know, men and brethren, what we are coming for is not a physical battle. So let's...
In the mighty name of Jesus. Amen. In the powerful name of Jesus. Amen. We thank thee for ourselves forever. You know we are here for a purpose. Help us to achieve our purpose in Jesus' name. Amen. In the mighty name of Jesus. Amen. Bro Samuel.
Pastor.
We continue with the good work we are doing. Let me and Pastor Daniel go and see the Eze right now.
Father, me too. At least to see the king and I'd also identify with them.
There's no need. Stay with them. You know they are strangers.
Father, you know this is my first time of stepping my feet into this land.
It doesn't matter. You are a son of the sun. You are an indigene. Relax. Stay with them for now. Let us go and come back.
Reverend, I think what Udoka is saying is correct. At least it's a very big opportunity for him to exchange courtesy with his people, most especially the royalty. So I think it's a very good opportunity for him to...
Okay. Join us.
Thank you. Thank you, Father.
Sister Mary.
Costa.
So people should take care. In case if anyone come here, don't harass them. Don't fight. Answer them gently. If they force you, you gently follow them to the exit. Please. No, let's go.
Greetings. What made the great warriors of Umudu to run into the palace in this way? Are we safe?
Your Highness, we saw some aliens walking into our land through the back part of the village.
Aliens? What? Where And how many are they?
They are 8 in number. 4 maidens are in their midst. They have their bag and strange books in their hands.
Do they have any weapon?
No, Your Highness. Not even a cutlass or a spear.
That means they come in peace. But we'll still have to know their reason of coming to our land.
Ikemba! Your Highness!
You will have to go and take other warriors and apprehend those Alieno wherever they call themselves. Let them present them here in the palace.
Consider it done. Warriors of Umut, sacrilege, calamity, arrow, the intruders, the strangers are in our community. Strangers in our community. We must grab them, seize them. Ago, Igaba, Ibe. I can't find anybody. I can't find them. Ekete, great Ikemba, you are one of the great spies we have in our warriors. Where are those strangers? Those intruders? Those bastards? Where are they? Great Ikemba, I don't know, but it seems they took that road that leads to Amusi. But through their conversations, it seems that they wanted to visit the king. What? The king! I'm a blessed! Sacrilege! Hello! Strangers are not permitted to pay visit to the king. Yes. Unless they are permitted by the chief priest. Besides, they must pass through the main trusses to be welcomed by the UDARA Momo. What can we do to apprehend them? Nah! We must march as a great warrior of Umut. Wait. Ekete, there you come back. Okunamere, you should have killed them when you had a conversation about paying visit to the kings. There you come back. We didn't thought of that. Shut up! We didn't know that it came in peace. How can we know that it came in peace? Don't you know where you are? You're a great warrior. You're not like a villager. At least you could have apprehended them when you see them. Enough! Well, the great Ikemba, what shall we do? Apprehend them. We have to act fast. We shall march as a great warriors of Umudo. Yes. We fear nothing. We fear nobody. Yes. Yes.